Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open a zip file using PeaZip on Windows. First, locate the zip file you want to open. Right-click on the zip file and move your mouse over the PeaZip option. Now select Open as Archive. PeaZip will open the zip file and display all the files and folders stored inside the archive. Take a moment to show the contents of the zip file on your screen. You can browse through the files without extracting the entire archive. Next, click the Extract button at the top of the PeaZip window. Here, you can choose the location where you want to extract the files. If you see options such as Type Level Function, you can leave them at their default settings. Now select your preferred output folder and click OK. PeaZip will extract the files to the selected location. Once the process is complete, open the destination folder and you can see the extracted files. And that's it. You have successfully opened and extracted a zip file using PeaZip. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials.